All right. So, in the midst of us planning out our captions and all the things, I want to walk through how to use the content calendar that we're currently using. We, of course, if we need to make adjustments to it, we will, and there'll probably be a few tweaks here and there. But as it stands right now, this is what we're looking like. On the main date, it shows what is ready when things are anticipated to go out. The check marks were put there once that has been ready to go and available. So, in this particular video, we're going to be looking at the Facebook group captions. We have put checks by all the Facebook group posts because they are all ready to go. So we're going to go over to Facebook group. The captions are here. It has the time that they should be scheduled and the date. So this is 26 Sunday. It talks about what type of campaign it is. The call to action links, they're not on here because we don't have them for January. On future months, we may have them. And so in return, we'll be able to use those in the future the way they've been intended, or perhaps we'll end up getting rid of them altogether. Okay, and then last but not least, we have the image or the video that it's linked to. Because this is a Facebook group, all posts do not require an image or a video to go with them. On occasion, there's at least one, this one here, where there's no link to go with them. All right, so how's this going to work? We're going to click the image so we can see what we have. This is for January 26th. So that one's not the January 26th. This is the image for January 26th that we're going to download. We'll download the image, we'll copy the caption, and you want to post it inside of Facebook group for 9:02 on the 26th. So of course you're scheduling these out. This isn't something that you necessarily have to do real time. These times may have adjustments to them. We're trying to find the sweet spot that works ideally for us, and you'll go from there. We did do a video that talks about how to schedule the Facebook group posts, so of course you can go back and watch that if needed, but I wanted to make sure I was being clear on how we roll out our content calendar and how we anticipate using it. Once you have scheduled the posts, like that one, you're going to go and put a green check here to let us know that it's been done, that it's scheduled. This will help you keep track of what you're scheduling and everything, but it also helps others keep track that need to come to this page to see, okay, is this ready to go or what's the status of it? So it's just signifying the rest of the team on where we stand. Now, some of these days may have multiple posts. So this one, it has a slot for 2 days, 12 o'clock, but there's no caption there. So, and then there's no link there. So we don't have to worry about scheduling on this one. On our next month for February, we're going to actually update this. There'll be another column where it'll all be Facebook, text message, emails, all of that will be on one it'll be in a column, and so it'll have a drop. So you'll just select the one column, and it'll have a drop down box that you'll select it, and it'll show you if it's for a Facebook group, or if this one's for Instagram, or if this one's for whatever the case may be. So it'll be a little clearer, and we won't have to jump between different tabs down below. Hopefully this helps. Let me know your thoughts and enjoy.